Hello and welcome to McLean's Refinishing. Today we're going to be talking about chair caning. Please come and join us. My name's Fred McLean, the owner of McLean's Refinishing. We often get questions concerning chair caning. Do we do chair caning? Yes, we do. After the customer asks me the question, it usually triggers a series of questions from myself. Number one, what type of cane is it? Is it a machine woven or is it a hand woven cane? Within the pre-woven mesh category, there are several different styles to choose from. The most common is the 1/2 inch open mesh cane. There are also several options. We even have a closed mesh of different sizes, and this particular weave here is called a radio mesh. The two main types of weaving that are the most common are, number one, the pre-woven mesh cane, and then number two is the hand-woven cane. The pre-woven mesh cane is the most popular. This makes up about 75% of our weaving, of our caning that we do here in the shop. The main difference between the two is the pre-woven mesh comes in a large sheet, and the hand-woven cane has to be woven with each individual strand. Therefore, this is certainly more labor intensive and cost more. One of the other very common requests we get for chair caning within the hand caning family are rush bottom seats. And a rush bottom is easily defined by the way the pattern converges into the center. And within the rush bottom category, there's different types of material. There's both man-made, and then there's a natural seagrass type material, or the original from the 1700s would have been a twisted cattail. The fiber, the man-made fiber, is actually like a twisted paper, but it is very durable and holds up very well, and particularly when you put a good finish on it. It looks very nice. But the main difference is just in the natural versus the man-made, and the man-made is cheaper. The other types of weave we do are porch rocker type weaving, and this is a very common herringbone pattern, and it's woven with individual strands of chair cane, and there's different patterns within the herringbone. It's according to the density of the pattern as well as the size of the material that's used. This particular seat is what's called a 4x4, where the weave is woven under 4 strands of cane and then on top of 4 strands of cane. So we call this a 4x4 herringbone pattern. And one more type is this twisted type rope. It's not a very common pattern, but it is a very beautiful seat and holds up very well. Thanks for watching my video today on chair caning, and I hope you found it informative.